Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. This is your girl Kinah. Today I'm going to be unboxing the November 2022 cloth and paper stationery subscription box. Y'all know that November is probably the, I don't want to say the best, but the biggest month of the year because cloth and paper just be giving everything. Okay, I'm going to take this box off the desk. And here's the little bag we got. Super cute, y'all. Everything's in there. And if you've been a subscriber for a long time, you know that November is the biggest month of the year because we always get the next year's spiral bound planner. I never use it. I typically either sell it or give it away. So it's still a big thing. So let's go ahead and get all of this stuff out of the little bag. I do like this. I very much like that. And we have our What's Inside card. Thank you for subscribing to the November 2022 Planning and Stationery Box. We hope you enjoy this collection of our newest designs, stylishly created for you and your planning routine. And we always get a little glimpse of what's in the box. So we have this big packet I'm going to go ahead and take everything out of. And for those of you that are new here, I do get my box in half letter size because my planner is a half letter. So this first thing up is the implementation dashboard. And it says, with a quote from Guy Kawasaki, the implementation dashboard carries the humble reminder that without change, nothing will change. A minimal, cirque, I'm butchering that, and motivating addition to your planner. So we've got this off-white, it's really an eggshell color dashboard. It says implementation. Ideas are easy, implementation is hard. So that's the implementation dashboard. And then, y'all, we got a new cloth and paper clip. It says, add a pop of color to your planner setup with our very own cloth and paper clip. A magnetic clip perfect for marking your place, adding a guide, adding a quote card, or keeping track of charging cables. Lord, I got this angled where I can't. This month's version is made with genuine handmade cowhide leather and fossil to match this month's Today tab. So y'all, this is the fossil color. Let's get a close-up. Got the cloth and paper logo there. That's the inside and that is the back. So it says that it measures, it's a 1 inch by 2 1/4 inch leather clip. So it's 1 inch across and 2 1/4 up and down. Pretty cool. That's the cloth and paper clip. The next item up is the pill sticky note. And the description says, what are notes without a header? The pill sticky note in our lot features a pill-shaped header space to keep your sticky notes organized with a bold title, so you'll never have to ask yourself, what was this list for? So they are the typical 3x3 standard size sticky note, and super cute, 50 sheets on the pad. So those are the pill sticky notes. The next item is the Today Dry Erase Top Tab Divider. And this was designed to go inside of the spiral bound planner. So I won't be able to use this, but you have it. And it says the Today Dry Erase Tab Divider offers twice the functionality. This transparent page marker can also be used as a dry erase board. Made out of the same material as our popular glass plastic dividers, this month's version comes with fossil, that's the color, Today text on the top tab, and is punched to fit right into your 2023 spiral bound planner. So as you can see, it's pretty flexible. It's not super thick, and it's dry erase. You can use a dry erase marker on there and then erase it. So that is the Today Dry Erase Tab Divider. The next item up is the implementation bundle. And the description says, define and outline your goals with a personal development plan. With the implementation insert, you'll be about to identify your strengths and the necessary changes you need to make to accomplish your goals. I guess they meant make able. With a written guide and prompt exercises, the implementation insert encourages implementing change and challenges to reach your personal milestones. The way I'm reading today, you'd think I can't read. So the front says implementation, an act or instance of implementing something, the process of making something active or effective. That is the definition, and it is a noun. And then on the inside, you have a how to use. A PDP, or personal development plan, is a plan that defines and outlines your goals, your shortcomings, and strengths in each area, any necessary changes, and the skills you must develop to meet your objectives. Consider it as a thorough roadmap that directs you on your quest to accomplish your goals. You may use a PDP in many areas of your life that can help you feel complete and balance your life. This package's objective is to make it possible for you to implement precise, thorough, and doable goals. Setting milestones and final deadlines will allow you to take the necessary steps to achieve. And then there are some questions to reflect on and some tips to implement. An idea is nothing, its implementation everything. And that's a quote by Alexander Cronrod. And then on the inside, the first page says personal implementation ledger, and there's a space for you to write your date. You've got my big goals, goals I must accomplish first, actions to reach goal, obstacles that can occur, support I can have, resources to goal, rewards for accomplishing, and the timeline. And then you've got several pages of the personal implementation ledger. And then this next section, if you are moving forward in your life, if you are progressing personally, professionally, emotionally, spiritually, you will be happy. And that's a quote by Tony Robbins. And then it just has the same things. So I guess it's just broken up for by the month. I saw the angel in the marble and carved until I set him free. And that was Michelangelo. Okay. So this next section is 5 aspects of personal implementation. What did you learn? Then you've got a section for emotional, mental, physical, spiritual, and social. And then you have a few pages, 2 pages of that, a line notes section on the back. So that is the implementation insert. The next item up is the 2023 Spiral Bound Planner. Let's get a knife or something to get this open. So the description says, our 2023 Spiral Bound Planner keeps the entire year at your fingertips. This planner features sturdy plastic covers, a sleek black spiral coil, simple yet elegant monthly cover pages, and the ability to customize the planner using dashboards punched specifically for its spiral binding. The horizontal weekly layout is organized and designed to keep each week intact. So I won't peel off the plastic here, but peel off the protective layer here. But as you can see, it does come off so that you'll have a truly clear cover. And then on the inside, we have this really thick vellum that says 2023. Y'all, that is super thick. And then we have this dashboard. It says 2023 planner. It does not come out, so you need to cut this in order to take it out of your planner. And then we have the This Belongs To page. 2023 year at a glance with 6 months and 6 months. And then we have our holidays and observances and some measurements and conversions. And then we have this cover page that takes us into January. I love that they do it every year, but they have the black tabs here at the edges of the page for the month. You have your January, I guess you want to say, dashboard, where you can log your goals, intentions, and bills due, and you have a to-do list here. Then you have your monthly layout, and then it goes directly into your weeks. I do love the refreshed look of the horizontal layout. If you had the horizontal layout, or you watched any of my videos from 2022 where I used the horizontal layout, this is still the same. The weekdays are still the same, but here there were 3 boxes, I believe 3 boxes. There were boxes here, and they were structured a certain way, and I was not a big fan of it. And so every month I was covering it up, or every week I was covering it up and doing something with it. But I do like the checklist section, if you will. So So that is the month of January, and then there's another cover page and it goes into February. Let's see if there's any extras here in the back. So at the end, you'll get a sheet to log passwords, and then you get a couple of pages for a contact list. And then on the back, you just have a really thick cardstock. So that is the 2023 Spiral Bound Planner. Next, we have our drop stickers. And so we've been getting these transparent shapes, I want to say over the last 3 or 4 boxes, in these exact same colors, the Angora, the Sedona, and the Pistachio. But this month we've got drop stickers. And I'm not going to open these up because they're the same, just in different sizes. So you have Angora, Sedona, and the Pistachio color. These are the minimal shape sticker sets. There are 5 sheets in each pack, so you get 5 sheets, probably more than likely 2 of this size, and then as the sizes change, so you get 5 sheets. So those are the drop stickers, and the description for those say functional and minimal planner stickers for your planning routine. Each pack includes 3 sizes of drop stickers to aid you in planning effectively. Use these stickers to color code your schedule or draw your eye to important dates. Included in this month's box are the colors Sedona, Pistachio, and Angora to put your planner in the fall mood. And then last but certainly not least, we have this month's journaling cards. So I see we did not get a clear journaling card this year. I'm wondering if cloth and paper, that's going to stop. But the first card we have says, note to yourself, you don't make progress by standing on the sidelines, whimpering and complaining. You make progress by implementing ideas. And that is a quote by Shirley Chisholm. And then this next card says, vision without action is a daydream. Action without vision is a nightmare. Whew. That is serious right there. So we have this month's journaling cards. We got the 3 sets of drop stickers. We have the star of the show, the 2023 Spiral Bound Planner. We have our implementation insert bundle. We have the Today Dry Erase tab divider. We have the sticky notes, the pill sticky notes. We have the cloth and paper clip. And we have our implementation dashboard. If you enjoyed this unboxing, I would appreciate if you'd like the video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.